Hey, can you help me? My car broke down and I need to take my brother to his job. Sure, I can help take him there, but we need to hurry. I have a meeting to kick off in an hour. Thanks a million. I was really worried I'd have to call off his first day at work. That wouldn't have been a good start. No worries, we'll make it. By the way, did you turn off all the lights before we left? Oh, I totally forgot. But it's okay, my roommate will be back soon. He'll cut down on any unnecessary power usage. Good to hear. Also, I've been meaning to tell you about leaving your scooter in the driveway. I nearly fell off my bike yesterday because of that. I'm sorry about that. I'll move it aside next time. Also, after we drop off my brother, could we stop by the cafe? I owe you a coffee. That sounds great, but let's make it quick. I don't want to put off my meeting any longer than necessary. Absolutely. Quick coffee it is. Oh, and after your meeting, do you want to head off to the park? The weather is perfect for a walk. I'd love to. It'll be nice to cool off after a busy morning. Plus, it's been ages since we caught up properly. Perfect. It's a plan then. And hey, thanks for always being there to help out. It really means a lot. Anytime, Jamie. That's what friends are for. Plus, you've bailed me out a few times too.